Today we have 13 odds for you, a total of 9 matches over market. Let's get started. The first game we have today is an international friendly where FC Adisik Tusi is taking on New Saints, and the prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Kindly hit the like button and then also share this video with your friends. And also, if you are interested in our premium 2 odds for today, comment I'm interested in the comment section. I will forward it to your inbox. Thank you. And moving on, we have the next game in still in that same league. A game between SJK Helsinki taking on FK Penny Verex. And my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in international Champions League qualifier where Copenhagen is taking on Sandoja. My prediction here is both team to score. Next game we have is a game between Last Lane taking on Pukas Academia, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. As you know that in this channel we give you football prediction on daily basis, and also we share tutorial videos on how to predict football match, and also tutorial videos on how to trade forex market, both crypto and general forex market. So the forex video will be available on YouTube by 4 p.m. every day. I'll be showing you my daily address as I also explain some things to you. So if you are interested in learning how to trade forex, kindly go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Then every day by 4 p.m. we'll be receiving fresh videos. Okay, moving on. The next game we have here is a game between Bulgaria taking on Kazakhstan, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Latvia taking on Moldova, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up. Note that it's not a free game, it's not pay after, it's strictly a paid service. So make up your mind before you chat me up. And also our subscription fee is quite affordable for everyone to participate. So I will see you on a VIP section on WhatsApp. Okay guys, the next one we have is a game between Montenegro taking on Greece, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have is in international friendly where Hungerford is taking on Hamptons, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The last game on this ticket is a game between Berwick Town taking on Chelmsford City, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. You'll find this game in international friendly. Okay, guys, 13 odds, a total of 9 matches. Bet responsibly. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section, and also drop a comment in the comment section telling me that you are interested in today's premium tips. I'll surely forward the 2 odds for you straight to your inbox. Thank you so much once again, and have a lovely day.